Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Boracay Station 3 para i-try itong activities na to. Ayan. So magpa-parasail kami ngayon. Nervyoso. First time to parasail. So ayan. Ayan. Yun yung parasail. Tingnan natin kung kakayanan natin yung height. So good luck to me. Tas bukas naman mag-island hopping kami. So si ate na rin yung ano namin. Yan si ate. Yung kinontrata namin. Kasi pag magdadirect ka ngayon, mas mahal. Pupunta ka sa mga ahente, yung mga nag-aalok, mas mura. Kasi nga, para hindi mawalan ng trabaho yung mga locals dito. Diba? So, para makatulong sa kanila, at mas mura pa ng around 300 to 400. Yun, sa ahente kayo. Pero pag mag-direct kayo sa kanila, plus 400 yun, diba? So magandang idea yun para hindi mawalan ng trabaho ang mga locals. Tara guys, let's go to the parasail. Alright guys, so let's ride a speedboat. Naks, first time. Sana hindi ako sumigaw. Saan guys, speed po natin kaya yan? Ayan, so guys, yun yung speed po. Yun. Tara, let's go. Iba pala yung ano, yung sinabi ko. Sige guys, go! Sige. Okay, thank you.
Hi guys.
Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog, shout out. Yun oh. Kuya, shout out ko daw oh. Shout out oh.
Okay, life jacket muna tayo guys.
Oh, sige guys, life jacket guys. Ito kaya ano, ibigay?
Bali pick up pa lang to sir, doon yung parasailing sa...
Okay. Iba pala to. Oh my god.
Bali, joyride muna tayo.
Joyride?
Manorin yung ma'am.
Mawala yung kaba.
Para may...
Joyride para mawala ang kaba guys.
You wanna be beside Daddy?
You wanna beside me?
Okay.
Why I'm scared?
Sakto dyan.
Ba't mo nilak mga kasi
Okay.
tayo nun eh.
Ha?
Ito, ilagay niya lang sa nito.
So transfer ride. Oh my god.
Para mano yung bayan.
Mawala yung adrenaline rush. Woo! Okay lang, may Insta ako. Yung kanina ginamit ko kanina.
Tapos yung naman sir, yung cellphone para maganda yung pag-akyat. baba.
Ah, okay.
Video, kaya yun kasi para sa inyo lang.
Anyway, nandito kasama rin naman sila. Thank you ah. So, maraming salamat kay Kuya. Shoutout sa kanya. Kung hindi dahil sa kanya, wala na yung sa'yo, no? Wala na yung Ironman Vietnam ko. Diyos ko po. Nagulat ako doon, nahulog. Yan, so nandito kami sa ano, area ng ano, mga activities yan. Kung makita nyo, yan. Yan guys, dami no. Yan. So waiting lang kami sa parasail beach na yun. Dami pala nagpa-parasail doon, no? Kung makikita nyo yun. Diba? So sinong kasama ko? Yan, siya. So sisigaw ba si Daddy?
120
Hindi ako sisigaw, hindi ako sisigaw. Promise. Ayan guys. Yan, katali si Kuya. Okay guys, yan na. Pinaprepare nila yung parasail. Woo! Parasail. Maghahawakan, okay?
Ate, insta mo.
You know what that is this? It's called bone knife. The king of all nuts. And ano, anak, even thing siya, madali siya matanggal. It's easily just this one. Kakalat mo. Even though it's tight. Even kasi ito rin sumasakal dyan. Pero ito hindi. Ito, patay ka, ganun mo lang yung matatanggal yan. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Woo! And it's a beautiful day. It's not too bad. 15 bucks. It's not too bad, anak. It's not too high. It's good.
When is it?
Oh my God!
Ow!
Oh, like this. Where?
I didn't see them still, but they look swimming with the ship.
Oh, yeah. I need some.
Dolphins are smart.
Okay.
Or seals. But seals are
Yep. That's good. Only like this, no? Hindi ka pwede sumandal.
what is it?
Here. Oh, yeah.
I think this is
That's live.
live.
Live, yeah, that's live.
Is it live?
It's alive, of course. That's blank.
Oh. But how can it get chopped down?
Oh, smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile! Oh, it's so high.
Yeah. I don't see afraid of.
I don't like high.
What are you?
This one, anak, I like.
That's high. That's
I
high.
like this. No more high.
That.
Now. Oh no, we're getting high.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we're getting high. We're getting high. We're getting high. We're getting high. So ayun guys, nandito na ako sa parasail. Which is afraid ako sa heights pero okay lang.
Like Mr. Beast.
Yeah, okay lang ganito. It's okay like this. Wag lang yung ano, yung madadrop, di ba? Okay na yan. Di ba? Wow, it's so cool, man. gosh. Oh, there's a Roro.
Huh?
That's the Roro yan. The vessel is Roro. Roro. It's a beautiful day. It's a roll-on, roll-off ship. So this is parasail. Oh my god. Oh no, we're dropping. Oh no, we're dropping. We're dropping. Oh no, it's high. This is okay. How many minutes in now? Okay. And how many minutes are we now?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Tomorrow we must be early, ah. Oh no, we're getting high. We're getting high. We're getting high. You know, anak, before we don't like our activities like this when Mami and I before. You know why? Kasi expensive. Yes, expensive. But now it's cheap na, kaya we can go.
When I first tried this, I just said, I'm flying.
Elijah, like.
Yeah, and when I first tried this, I thought it's just gonna let you fly and then it will let go.
Let go.
And then you're gonna be facing the
Hey. Oh, we're moving. Oh my god. I'm scared. Scared. Oh, we're getting high talaga, anak. Ganun talaga siya. It's getting high.
Mr. Beast, he doesn't like heights. So someone made a drop that can, that's from the gravity. There's a stone in the tube, and then when you hang on it, it will go down. We're going sideways.
Yep.
We need to touch the water.
No, I don't have the waterproof of my,
And I don't know if there's
Oh no, the drop.
Oh
no.
They touched the water.
I don't like to touch the water.
Me too.
Because may, may instant 360.
Me too.
Oh my
I
god.
thought this was like before, 2023.
Huh?
They did it different. No.
Buddy.
I'm not ready.
Do that.
I never know.
No, we don't
What
touch.
is that?
I don't like to touch.
I don't want to be like the other.
Elijah is crying here, no?
I don't know why I have sipon when I'm in the air.
Why?
I don't know, it feels cold. Before when I did this for the first time, it's very, very cold. I'm already chilly. Seaweed. Dolphin. Are you here?
Ah,
Oh no! I'm
it's okay.
swimming.
It's high.
I think
Oh my god.
Your cap was like, I'm going back to Vietnam.
What?
No.
I think it's done.
I don't know. I'm too scared to touch the water. I'm not afraid to touch the water only when it's creepy. I'm afraid when it's left. Are you
Yeah, that's why my GoPro is already on my strap.
What is it? 16 or 15 minutes? I don't know. 15. And there's seaweed.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The yellow stuff. Why is the ocean blue? Why is the ocean blue?
Because it's water. Water is blue.
I thought water's clear.
No, when you put penny, it will become blue.
Maybe because of the sun. Now I know what is the sound of the air.
How many minutes are we now?
8 minutes.
I'm busy.
This is your first time.
What time now? I wanna go down. I wanna go down.
Because this is your first time.
First time you wanna go down too?
No. I don't want to go down when it's your first time. I like it. I like the air.
Ah, It's so beautiful. I think we're going down. So I will not get busy. I will not look at down. Make me dizzy. It makes me dizzy. For sure. Oh, it's a dead nail. I want it. I want it. I want it. Just on, then you can edit later. That's the wind.
Oh, yeah. I thought I saw dolphins.
Now,
Oh, wait. The light.
what?
Don't touch the silver.
No, I'm not touching with the silver. No, I'm not touching this.
Oh my.
What the?
What is happening?
What's happening?
What?
Huh?
Ano ba yung sunod? Blitzing. Eh. Looking for your life. Please go down.
I think they're going down now. You wanna go down?
Yeah. Where did it go? It's down.
I'm afraid of that sound.
Those two sound like that. Yeah.
Ah, you got the vibration. Adaling.
Oh, look. Jet skis trying to make a whirlpool. There's a banana boat here. Definitely for Japanese.
I think we're getting near to the boat. we're getting near enough. I think this is the end. It's red. See, it's cooling now. Very nice. It's automatic cooling. You see? Really? Thank you. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Ayaw lang tayo dito sir, magdating sir.
Kita kayo.
Ano, guys?
Daddy,
Ah.
mananabog kaya no. Wala tayo.
Huwag muna. Bili muna tayo ng Bonamin doon sa nahihilo ko.
Sir, anong next natin?
Uwi na po kami. Oo, sige. Tara guys, let's go. Bibili muna ako ng Bonamin, nahihilo ko eh. Ako lang ata yung sima na nahihilo. Yes, nahihilo na. Daddy is DC na. Mami, airport drugs muna.
Ha?
Punta tayo sa pharmacy. Promise Brad, totoo to. Nahihilo ako. Sanay ako sa sa malalaking barko kasi Apromax walang alon dun eh. Ngayon inalon ako hilo. So ayan guys, tapos na yung water activities namin ngayon ha. So mamaya pupunta, or ngayon, bibili nga kami ng Bonamin. Pupunta kami sa Station 1. Pa doon sa may Willis Rock. Doon mag-snorkeling ako. Ma'am, mag-snorkeling ako doon ha. Sarap mag-snorkeling sa Boracay. Ha? We're going to snorkel right? Station 1. Yan. Tapos bukas ang umaga, natin. Island hopping bukas. Okay guys. See you later pag nasa Station 1 na.